NASA astronaut Butch Willmore recently reported hearing a mysterious noise inside Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, currently docked at the International Space Station. Here's the entire conversation he had with NASA.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker.
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute and I'll call you back when it's ready. All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go.